Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will install Microsoft Visual Studio for C++ development. So let's get started. I go to my browser and I go to google.com where I search for Microsoft Visual Studio Community C++. I go on the second link here. I'll put this link in the description so it will be easy for you to go here. You can hover over this and you'll see three editions. Now, Professional is a paid edition and Enterprise is usually for corporates. So the Community edition almost has all the features that you will ever need for your personal needs. You can download it from here by clicking on this link. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it again. We're going to install it now. So this is the Visual Studio installer. It would download some more data before it can begin installing. And if you like my channel, if you like my videos, then please support my channel. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, liking this video. And if you have any questions, then please feel free to ask in the comments below. I will definitely answer all your questions. So the installer has completed downloading and it will now list all the components or the workloads that we can install. Here we need to select this desktop development with C++ and it will list all the modules that are part of this workload. These are all optional, but these are selected by default and some of them are not. So I'm going to leave it as it is and the total space required is shown over here. You can also have a look at the individual components which are listed here under this tab, but I don't need that, so I'm not going to go into that. There's only one language pack I need right now, that's English, and installation locations can be changed from here. So I'm going to change this quickly. So here it is, guys. I have changed the locations. If you install it on another drive apart from C drive, it might show you a warning that selecting another drive will affect the performance of Visual Studio and cause it to run slow, which is fine. It won't run as slow as enough to cause a problem for us. So here you can see it's still installing partially on C drive and the other installation is on the other drive. And just to get back to the workloads, there are other things that you can install as well. I don't need them right now, but let's say if you're on Linux, you will want to install that. If you're looking forward for game development with C++ or Unity, then you can go ahead with those. I might make some videos on those later, and you can also go for mobile development with C++. For now, I'm going forward with desktop development with C++. Right, so I have started installation. It's downloading, verifying, and it will install after that. It will also create a Windows restore point by default. So this is going to take some time. Alright guys, this is almost installed now. As you can see, it's downloaded 100% and it's installed now. It requires a reboot. So I'll see you guys after a quick restart. Hi guys, right, so welcome back. And as you can see, Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition is now installed. Let's go ahead and open it. So it's the first time, so it might take a little time to open up. Here it is. So you can sign into your account, or you can do it later. I will do it later. You can choose the themes and how you want it to look. Apart from the development settings over here, you can always change these settings later, so it's nothing hard and fast. I'm going to leave it at general, and I think I'll keep this at the standard selection. So like I said, the first time might take a little longer, but it will be always quicker after the first time. So here it is. You could create a new project by clicking on this option here. And let's see if, yes, here it is. We can create a C++ application. So it installed just fine. That's it, guys. That's it from my side for this video. See you in the next video. Please make sure you look at my C++ tutorial series. It will be available in both English and Hindi. And if you like this video, please support my channel. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, sharing it with your friends, your classmates, your colleagues. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll make sure I answer those. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned.